America. Magandang umaga sa inyo mga inday, mga dudong. Ang oras dito sa Amerika mga inday is 8:53 in the morning, Sunday mga inday. Late na ako nag-out sa bed mga inday kasi nga is walang pasok day, and then ito ay parang rest day ko na mga inday. And then ngayon pa talaga nagising si Bibi Kano mga inday. So mga inday, paggising ko day, pagpunta ko dito sa kitchen day, may hugasin pala ako day. Nakalimutan. Alam ko day kagabi naghugas sa utak ko day ha. Naghugas ako ng plato. But ngayon nakita ko may mga plato na hindi nahugasan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo day. Wala itong ano ha, hindi ko ika-cover kung ano talaga yung buhay namin dito sa Amerika mga inday ha. Tingnan niyo. Hindi ko pala nahugasan. Ay. So ang ibig sabihin yan, wala talagang hugas. Nakalimot ako day. So ngayon mga inday, huhugasan ko to mga inday, and then mag-ready ako sa pagkain ni Bibi Kano mga inday. So huhugasan ko muna ito, and then i-update ko kayo mamaya mga inday. But before i-off ko yung camera natin, update sa ating weather for today's video. Oh, puta. Is cloudy day. Wala day, hindi nagpapakita si Haring Araw for today's video. Baka mamaya magpapakita to. Tingnan lang natin mga inday. Okay, so i-update ko kayo mamaya mga inday. Mga inday, tapos na tayong naghugas ng plato day. Wala nang mga hugasin dyan. And then ngayon day, naubusan si Bibi Kano ng ano day, prutas day. Mamaya magro-grocery kami mamaya dahil sasabihan ko yung jusawa ko. And then I made decision dahil na magpasta na lang si Bibi Kano kasi paborito niya itong pasta mga inday. So ngayon sisimulan na natin mga inday. Ilagay ko kayo dyan, and then lagyan natin ito ng tubig. Yung nga, walang tubig. Yung tubig nasa labas, yung tubig mga inday. Ay naku. Ay. Mabigat yun, day. It's not so, hindi siya sobrang mabigat, but, you know, mabigat siya. So, nandito tayo sa garage. And then, puntahan natin, kunin natin yung tubig. Nandun yung tubig, day. Ay, Ginoo ko. Kailangan ko itong kakargahin tong tubig na to, day. Ito yung kakargahin ko na tubig. Pero hindi na siya masyadong mabigat kasi nga, ay, nakunan na siya dahil may, you know, hindi na siya isang, dati, basta ito dahil, nakunan na siya or nakuhuaan na siya. Yung Tagalog talaga natin, pasensya na kayo dahil. So, kakargahin ko muna ito mga inday, ha? Kailangan na mag-import. Mag-import. Ay, hindi tayo medyo klaro na yan. Kahit yung mukha natin dahil hindi kagandahan. Hindi kagandahan. Ipapakita pa din natin yan sa camera. Ilagay ko kayo dito para makita nyo ako sa pagkarga. Ito na mga inday. Kakayanin! Oh no! Kakayanin kahit mabigat! Let's go! Inday, may tubig na tayo. And then, ilagay na natin dito mga inday. And then, i-on natin yung gas tube, day. I-on na natin yung gas tube. I think si Bibi Kano, day. Gutom na yan si Bibi Kano, mga inday. Okay na yan. I-arrange muna natin to. Okay na to mga inday. Ito ang laman mga inday ng package. Inopen ko na. So may noodles na ganito. Yung haba. Ganito ba yung haba? Ganito ang haba niya. And then, may cheese. May isang pakete ng cheese sa loob. So, yan lang yung nasa loob mga inday. And then, kukuha tayo ng butter. Kailangan din natin ng butter at saka milk mga inday. Kukunin natin, day. Isasama ko kayo. Dito na. Punta na naman tayo sa garage, day. Nandito sa garage yung ref namin, day. At saka freezer. Sabi ng asawa ko, day, today daw, day, maganda daw yung weather. Paano yan na maganda? Walang araw. Saan yung ano natin? Ito na yung butter natin, day. Yan yung butter. And then, yung gatas natin, day. Ito yung gatas. Yan yung kailangan natin. Yung gatas namin, may ano na talaga, may kuha. Kasi umiinom talaga kami, day, ng gatas. Gabi-gabi, day. So, let's go. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Let's go. Pasensya na kayo ha. Medyo madilim talaga dito sa garage, day. Okay. Nandito na tayo sa loob. So, yan lang yung mga kailangan natin, day, sa pagluto ng pasta. Lagay ko yung mga inday, luto na yung what we call pasta ni Bibi Kano. And then, ito yung sauce. Ilagay natin yung sauce, mga inday. Okay, ito na yung breakfast ni Bibi Kano, mga inday. And then, i-mix natin. I-mix natin. Gusto to ni Bibi Kano, day. The last time na nagkain siya nito, day, siya lang yung siya lang yung nagsubo sa kanyang sarili, day. So, ngayon, ini-mix natin. Uy, patay. Ano man yung isa, day, natapon yung isa, day. Okay lang, isa lang man yun. And then, iserve na natin ito kay Bibi Kano. Mga inday, ito na yung pagkain ni Bibi Kano, mga inday. So, ay, pasensya na kayo, day. Medyo madilim yung ating room. I-on natin yung ilaw. Charan! May ilaw na tayo. And then, nandyan na si Bibi Kano. Ngano na, gi-close man na yung bintana, nak. Oy, perte kangit-ngit ang balay, nak. It's so dark, the room. Hey, no. Asher, come here na. Nandito si Bibi Kano, mga inday. You gonna eat na? Asher! Oh, pasta! Oh, food! Food! There is a food. Naglalaro siya ng blocks, day. Naglalaro ng blocks. Sinirado ng anak ko, day, itong day, bintana, day. Sobrang dilim ng bahay. Dali na, dali na. You are playing? Anak? Nag-play ang bata? Good job man na. Uy, dali na, you eat na, oh. Your pasta is here na. Huh? Yummy. Come here. Eat na. Pumunta na dito, day. You eat now. Slowly. Slowly. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy food. Siya lang nagkain, day. Yummy? Yummy? Lo, naglisod ng agi, day. Naayusin ko muna sa Bibi Kano, day, ha? Ilagay ko kayo dito, day. Paupuin ko muna. Siya lang magkain, day. Siya lang yung kakain ng inday. Gi, kain. Oh, yummy? Yummy, 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 mama. Yummy, yummy. Now you eat more. More. You eat more. Good job. Good job, Ashir. You done good. Yummy. Do you like the cheese? Gusto. Wow. Good job. Good job, anak. Gustuhan niya talaga, day. Shush. Uy. Shush. Very good man anang bata na mo, oys. Very good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you, Mama, for the food. Thank you. Yummy kaayo akong food, Mama. Yeah, that's... Shush. Cheese? That is cheese? Yeah, that is cheese, anak. And pasta. Pasta and cheese. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, wow. That's a lot. Oh, tingnan natin, deh. Ang dami niyan, deh. Lo, ang kamot. Oh, ang kamot. Lo. Lo. Good job, Ashir. Fall down. Lol, kinukuha niya, day. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sobrang happy niya, day. Hello. Nauna talaga si Bibi ka nung magsabi ng hi, day. So ngayon mga inday, ilagay ko yung slipper ni Bibi Kano or sandal ni Bibi Kano. Kasi lalabas kami, day. Pupunta tayo sa papa niya, day. Nandoon sa man cave. So ilagay natin to, day. Kasi ano nga pa-walking ko lang si Bibi Kano, day. Itong sandal na to, day, medyo ano na siya, kanang sabi siya, baguot. Medyo ano na siya, maliit na siya kay Bibi Kano. Pero ano, kaya pa naman ng power. Habang masusuot pa niya, ipapasuot ko, day. So let's go. Puntahan natin yung papa niya, day. Day, nakalabas naman ang bata na to, day. Nakalabas ulit. Sobrang saya niya, oh. Sige, you play. Where you go? My love, Asher is coming. Nandito kami sa labas, day. Come back. Come here, mama. Yan bata, day. Come here. Where you go? What are you doing? You want to go inside again? Gusto niyang pumasok sa loob, day. Bata, day. Tingnan yung bata, day. Ano yung batang to, day? Let's go, papa ka. Let's go. Papa. We go there, papa. Yan to go inside na? Day, siya yung magsaka, day. Sige. Ang kamot. Lo, ang kamot. Yeah. What? Lo. We'll eat na. Tara, let's go na. We go inside. Go inside. Hello mga inday. Nandito na tayo sa sasakyan mga inday. And then, yung disama ko nandyan. Lalabas tayo dahil. And then, nandyan si Bibi Kano sa likod. And then, yeah. Lalabas tayo mga inday. Inday, nandito na tayo mga Inday. Kukunin natin si Bibikan. Oh, it's a nice place. Nandito yung bata natin. Ay, shush. Naka-sleeper lang yan dahil naka-short. Oh, Papa is there. Kukunin ko muna si Bibikan ng mga Inday. Bata natin eh. Yay! Nakatil. And then pupunta tayo dahil sa Sam's Club. First time ko makapunta dito dahil sa makapasok sa, oh my god, so much windy. First time ko makapasok sa Sam's Club mga Inday. kasi yung Sam's Club like, is parang ano ba, only member lang yung makapasok dyan. And then ngayon lang talaga kami naka-interesado na magpa-member. So much windy. It's something that is blowing me. Oh my golly, wow.
What you mean about over here?
Hello, we did not bring you have us here. Huh?
Just like anything for him. He's not talking about it right now.
Yeah, that's right. Pasok na tayo ng Inday. Mga Inday, nandito na tayo sa loob ng Sam's Club, guys. Ang lalaki ng mga gamit. Ang lalaki, guys. Tingnan niyo nga, oh. Wow, this one, Monster. The name is Monster, $2.99. This one, I don't know, instant saving.
And then there's this one.
Wow, that is a big, huge speaker, my love. Jesus, ang laki ng speaker day. Oh, let's see, love. We will look. We will just shop. How much? Huh? $2.99. Oh yeah, it's $2.99. King. Yeah, that's right. So let's go. TurboTax. What? Why there is a TurboTax here? TurboTax.
That's a program for your taxes.
Yeah, why you need to buy? What is inside?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yan, ang lalaki day.
Underneath.
Yeah, tingnan nyo mga day. Ang ganda niya day. May swing day.
What is this?
What is that? Is that a toy?
It's a barbecue.
Ah, yeah, barbecue
It's a
toy.
barbecue.
Ano siya day? Tingnan nyo day. Ano siya? $1,500. Wow, nice. Ay, oh, this.
Yeah, and then there's a rope ladder.
Ay, bata natin. Nandiyan, nakachinilas.
This unfolds. So it's down low.
Ah, yeah, that's right. It's nice. Maganda siya, day. Ano para in? How much the car? 25 here, $25. Is it this one? 29 is nice. Salmon day. Mga Inday, tapos na kami. Mas maganda, ano day, nagustuhan namin yung Sam's day kasi pwede ka sa cellphone ka na lang magbayad mga Inday, and then ikaw na yung mag-scan sa bawat items na binibili mo mga Inday, and then hindi mo na kailangan magpila. You don't need to line, my love. You don't need to line. Oh, crying. Yung bata na sobrang cute day. Hey, bata. Hello. It's windy. Nandito na tayo. Where is the camera? Ah, yeah. I see it already. Asher. We are here. Kukunin ko muna si Lidikan ng mga inday. Sige, bata, tingnan yung bata. Oh, sinong papa mo? Sinong mama mo? Super cute mo. You have papa. You have papa. Mama, I will help you laugh. Why? You are a loner. You are funny. Oh my God, love. I think they are a good deal, love. You know, especially the meat.
Oh yeah, we did good.
And yeah, and even the sauce and my lotion.
Yeah, we just got 2
There,
things.
love. There in our grocery is love. Only one item, $10 already.
Things we did really good on.
Yeah. Eh, maganda talaga dito, day, sa magbili ka, day. It's more cheaper talaga, day.
And then we got tuna.
Oh, yeah.
And
Tuna. Oh, my, salmon. I'm excited for the tuna. Tuna. I'm excited for the
And
tuna.
then I guess these are vitamins you got.
Yeah, that's my vitamins for the
Big
woman.
vitamin.
That is only
Double
$16. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. And then my banana is only $1. Banana passion. And that
chicken?
one, yeah, it's a big one. It's only $4, yeah?
It was 4.98.
Yeah. But that is, it's almost same, price.
That was like 6 or 7, but it's like 10 at the other one.
Oh,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
5. I can't remember.
No, it's 10, love, in the other one, love. But that one is, it's cheaper gani.
Asher, why are you still in the cart? Mama, stop.
My love, you the one get because it's taller my height.
Stop. She didn't do her part.
My height ba? Di mama will hold you. Yay! Just nag-walk naman yung mga bata. Uy, nag-walk naman ang bata. Uy, ahal ka ba? Wala, dagan rin. Dagan. I know. Asher, come na. Let's go na mga inday. Tapos na tayo mga inday. And then punta tayo dito sa harapan. Yeah, that's right. We'll buy food na. Food. And drinks. Yay. Mga inday, nandito tayo sa Buffalo Wings again tayo ulit. Itukuhin natin yung bata-batuta natin. Agay, my hair. Nandito tayo ulit mga inday. My love, that is the exit. You want to go in the exit? This is exit. This is not entrance. There's a lot of people. My Lord. Jesus. Sobrang daming tao. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, we'll have to take some of the tables off.
Oh, I like the... Maybe just going there, the other side? Huh?
Those are tall tables over there.
Ah,
can't get
in the
a side
other
chair.
side there ba? There. There's no people there.
How are we going to get us out there?
Ah, yeah. Yeah, no. I don't know. Ang daming tao. Because you order a lot, Papa.
See, your papa's not here.
Ang daming tao day. Puno yung tao dito sa restaurant day. Ginoo ko day. Maulaw tag pinasa mo. I think it's not good to go here on Sunday. There's a lot of people.
No, Tuesday's Thursday. Half off. Buy one, get one free.
Yeah, we go there that day.
Hang on.
Mga Inday, nandito na yung order namin. Mac and cheese, french fries.
Same thing as last time.
Yeah.
It's all right. Thank you. What did they give us?
Thank you. May papakainin natin si Bibi Kano dahil ang oras dito dahil 7 o'clock na dahil. Ayan, kumakain na si Bibi Kano ng french fries. French fries na. Let's eat. Let's eat. Yummy.
Yeah, you mac and cheese.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay, brought you one, okay. Everything's not okay? Can I grab you anything?
Oh no, we are good. Thank you so much. Oh, he's trying. She's trying her business.
You just gotta be patient when you get busy.
Yeah. Yummy. Kain muna kami, Day, ha?
Stare her down. Make her feel uncomfortable. Is that him? Definitely sure about the Filipino. Yeah, maybe she's like Fuji. She might be like a young person like Fuji who came over with her mom or something.
Yeah, that's right. Mga Inday, tapos na kaming kumain, Day. Ang dami, Day. Hindi namin naubos, Day. Ito, Day, o tingnan nyo, Day, ang natira, Day. What? What? Ito, Day, oh. Ang dami natira, Day. And then ngayon, Day, nilalagay. What? Nilalagay ng asawa ko, Day, dyan sa... Dyan.
Asawa ko ba?
I told them that you put the leftover.
You did not. You called me fat.
No, you're my asawa. Kumbaga, I did not say that word. Kumbaga, sige na, you prepare na.
Well, I might as well take
Sure, what are you doing? No.
I mean, this probably has more value in our house than the damn chicken does.
Yeah, that's right.
Sauce.
Yeah, more sauce.
We're broke.
Yay! Yay daw lang. Sure, sir. Tara. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! What? You don't want? You are full na? Tingnan nyo, Day, oh. Ang daming TV, Day. TV. Ano, TV. Ang daming TV, Day. Dito sa restaurant. Kasi dito, Day, pwede kang dito, Day, mag-relax, and then habang nanonood ng TV, kaya ganito, Day, maraming TV. Hey! Day, tapos na tayo, mga Inday. Lalabas na tayo. Ang oras dito is 7, maybe it's 8 o'clock already. Do you think it's 8 o'clock? Or 7:30? Maybe 7:20. Play to closet. My love, it's not cold here, love. Ay, nandiyan yung asawa ko, Day. Sabi ko sa kanya, Day, ako yung maghawak niyan, Day. Ayaw man niya, Day. Siya lang daw yung maghawak, Day.
Put that thing away.
Yeah, I will. Let's go. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng sasakyan, mga Inday. So ngayon, uuwi na tayo, Day. Busog na ako, Day. Tapos na yung dinner natin. Love, I want to try their in Hibachi Buffet, love. Next time, love. I wonder how much the another. We gonna pay that one. The last time is like, how much that one to of us? It's like $50, yeah? The last time you and me?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. Buffet. Buffet. How to pronounce that? Buffet?
Buffet.
Buffet? Buffet. Kasi pumunta kami last time sa buffet, Day. Uy, Ginoo ko, Lord. Sobrang busog ko, Day. It is not good for that you are trying to lose weight. That is not a good place. That's not a good place. Oh my God, wow.
That's got bad life choice written all over it.
That's right. Ginoo ko, Day. Sobrang busog namin, Day. Love, I prepared it today. Look in the camera. Ay, ginoo ka. Yung asawa ko, Day. Yay. Stop. Uber. Stop Uber. day, kinantahan ko yung asawa ko day. At
Oh, it's
gusto ko,
back on again.
ito yung ano na lyrics day. Ay, gusto kong i-share sa inyo. It's a beautiful day
Oh, boy.
to be with you. It's a beautiful day to be with you.
So goofy.
I want to share to them my song. My song.
Yeah, it's a pretty song, huh?
Pretty song.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
Pretty song na tayo. Sabi ng asawa ko. It's not.
It's too pretty.
Yun lang tayo. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung song. Yung ano ko tayo. Yung song ko tayo. Yung boses natin na mala angel. Ang patay. Angel, John. Mala angel. It's like angel. My voice.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
No, it's not.
I love it.
Ay, Kuya Love. Di sabi na sa Kuya daw love. Hala, love, you need to put oil. Ay, gas, love. Gas.
No, you got a quarter tank.
Ah, okay. Ay, Kuloy. Dahil busog na kami dahil hindi na kami. Agar na tayo. Hindi kasama mag-drive. Okay. Uy, tabang
Yeah,
mga
that's
langit.
right. I'm pumping this cow.
Yeah, that's right. Ngayon, nandito na kami sa bahay. Why? Shit! There is a poste. Ikaw ron na. Sige na, drive na. Go inside. Oh, yan, nandito na deh. Yay! We are here!
Say yeah, sure go yee.
Yay! Nandito na kami mga inday. Yes, kukunin ko si Bibi Kano. Papi! Nandito na tayo, mga inday. Nakalabas yung bata na yun. Nag-walking na naman. Where you go? Bata! Where you go? Shaitan! Naka-chinilas yung bata natin ay. Naka-chinilas. Hello, where you go? Ikaw man na mama. Where you go? Lolo. Tumatakbo talaga. Hey! Uy! Ito! La! Gusto niya dito, day. Oh, sit down. You just want to sit down? Huh? You just want to sit down there? Oh, she's yung bata. Sheldon, what are you doing? Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? Oh. Nilalagay niya doon. Ang laway mo, anak. Let's go na. Let's go inside na. Ha? Nawa na. Tumatakbo na naman dahil bata dahil. Where you go? Ay, gusto naman yung bumalik na. Bumalik siya ulit. Hoy! Hala, sige, Achir. Let's go now. We go inside in the house. Shilton. Hala, buto. Lu. Hoy! Bumalik na itong batang batutang to. Tara, let's go inside na. Here, come here na, mama. Dali. We go there. Dali na. Ay. Let's go na, bata. We go inside na. Tara na. Ay, gusto. Ay, yung bataan. Ay, ginawa ko ng bataan eh. Laka, we go inside the house now. Ay, naunsan bataan eh. Ay, ayaw niyang pumasok, day. Ay, ayaw pumasok ni Bibi Kano day sa loob ng bahay. Gusto niya dito sa labas lang kami, day. Dito na lang tayo buong araw na buong gabi. Dito tayo matutulog. Ay, naong ni mo anak ka. Uy, tanaw ra gud. Hey, tanawa. Na, let's go na. Tara, let's go papa. Ligo papa ta. Ligo papa. Papa. Dala deh. Ligo papa na papa. Where's papa? Papa. Dala, ligo papa dala. Papa. Yung asawa ko daw, hindi daw ako tumutulong daw. Sorry, love.
No.
Sorry.
No, you're not sorry.
Thank you, love. Thank
No,
you.
you're not sorry.
Thank you.
No, it's abusive.
I know him.
You watch him.
I'm watching him, guys. Lo, what are you doing? Lo. Tingnan nyo na yung bata deh.